The topic of today's video is how to enable two-factor authentication on Etsy. Alright, so here we are on Etsy, and what we want to do is we want to go to the drop down next to our profile icon on the top right. And then we're going to click on Account Settings. And inside of here, what we want to do is go to Security. Here in Security, you want to click on Turn on Two-Factor Authentication. Now you can choose how you want to do this. I'm going to go with SMS for this one. And once you've chosen, click on Continue. Here in Continue, we want to enter our phone number, but first choose your country code. So once you've chosen your country code and entered your phone number, enter the verification code that's going to be sent to you. And then hit Continue. Now on the next screen, you will get a whole bunch of codes. You need to copy these codes and save them on some sort of document. I would advise saving them in multiple places as well as physically so that you can access your Etsy if you ever do get locked out. And once you've copied the codes and saved them somewhere, hit done. And that is it. You have now officially enabled two-factor authentication. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.